Hey, what is going on, YouTubers? If you frequently search the Windows 10 Start menu for applications and files by first clicking the Start menu icon and then typing what you want to search for, you may run into the issue where you're met with a blank window such as this one. No matter what you search for, the window will always appear blank. To fix this problem, we need to restart the Cortana application and the Bing search engine features in Windows 10. Alright, first you want to right click on the Start menu, click on Run, type regedit, click OK, and then click Yes to run as administrator. Now in this window, we want to search the HKey current user folder. So double click on it. Then you want to click on software. Click Microsoft. Click Windows. Click on current version. And then click on the search folder. Now in this window, you want to look for a value called Bing search enabled. If you don't see this value, then we have to create one. So you want to right click anywhere in the window and click on dword 32-bit value. Then you want to type out Bing search enabled. Now go ahead and double click on Bing search enabled. And then we want to change this value to 1 and click OK. What this should do is restart the Bing search engine feature in the Windows 10 Start menu. And also it should sort of jumpstart and refresh the Cortana feature as well. One other value that we want to make sure is present is the Cortana Consent value. You want to double click on that and then make sure it says 0. If this value isn't there, you want to go ahead and add it, just like how we did the Bing search enabled value. Now you can go ahead and close out of the registry editor and then go ahead and restart your computer. I've already done the fix, so I'm not going to restart, but you should be able to search for applications and files again. If this fix didn't work for you, then there are some other things we can do. One thing we can do is restart the Cortana process. To do this, just right click on the Start menu icon, click Task Manager, then under Background Processes, look for Cortana, right click it, and click End Task. Next, we want to scroll down and look for Windows Explorer. Go ahead and right click on it and click Restart. Now you can go ahead and see if this worked for you or not. If this still didn't fix the problem, the next step is to right click the Start menu, click Run, type services.msc, and click OK. Now we need to search for a service called Windows Search. Right click on it and click Restart. If you don't want the Bing search engine feature to bring up web content in your Start menu for data usage or security reasons, then you can go back into the registry editor and change the Bing search engine enabled value to 0 instead of 1, and the fix should still stick. Now the issue should definitely be fixed by now, but if not, I'm sure you'll leave a comment in the section below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to support this channel, and I'll see you all in the next one.